Oppo to reveal Find N2 Flip India price on March 13th. The Oppo Find N2 Flip made its global debut last month, arriving as Oppo's first clamshell folding smartphone. Here's what we think it could cost. The Oppo Find N2 Flip is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus SoC paired with 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. The Oppo Find N2 Flip is set to make its debut in India soon. The Oppo Find N2 Flip made its global debut last month, arriving as the company's first clamshell folding smartphone. Oppo also announced the Find N2 as its second horizontal folding smartphone in China back in December 2022, although it is yet to get an official launch outside the country. For now, Oppo is only unveiling its clamshell folding Find N2 Flip globally, presumably to gauge the market and see if it can challenge Samsung's current dominance in the foldable smartphone market.